You trust him or not if you call him 5 days ago for the teaching for the exams? Will he be able to be positive for you or not?
Yeah, positive.
Will he be positive for you or not? Why he will become a positive for you? Because he has a competence and he has integrity. That's why you people trust him a lot. Now the fourth example is me myself, Ranjit.
No competence, no integrity.
No competence, no integrity. I don't know anything. I don't know the reading, writing, listening, speaking, vocabulary and other things which I'm teaching. Oh, sorry, I'm a student right now. I don't know all 5 things in the class. And I'm a chatterbox. I speak a lot. I don't know anything. I'm a lawyer. I don't have a sense of trustworthiness. You people don't trust me. I'm dishonest. I'm insincere. And I have such words which whatever I speak, you people don't trust me. And you don't rely on my words, on my personality. 5 days are just pending for the exams. And you want to learn some new topics and courses. Will you call me for teaching or not? Come on.
No.
Will you people call me for teaching or not?
No.
Of course not, because I'm not an honest person and I'm not a man of competence. It means you will not trust me. So my last question from you right now, which person would you like to trust? Salman, GD, Rohit and Ranjit. To whom you trust? Come on. Speak louder. Is पे trust करेंगे आप? Of course you will trust on Rohit because he have 2 things. One is called competence and another is called what? Integrity. It means I'm right. A person who has dual character, who has dual personality at the same time. One is called competence, other is called integrity. Then you start trusting him or trusting her. If any of the thing is missing or both of things are missing, you can never ever trust on that person. If a person has 2 things at the same time, you will start trusting on him. That is called what? Trust. Thank you very much.